Hey, dementia caregivers, Lisa Williver here from At Home with Dementia, and today we are talking about cooking with your loved ones. So, if you're caring for a loved one who is in mild to moderate dementia, they may have really enjoyed cooking most of their lives. And as they progress down this journey, and as they progress from mild to moderate dementia, there will be times where you will need to limit their access to things like the stove or the oven. So, when you have an opportunity to create a recipe with your loved one, take that chance. It's a great activity so that your loved one can be doing something hands on, doing something that they may have really enjoyed. You can put music on, you can make it fun. It will involve measuring and tactile activities like kneading or cutting or chopping. But of course, just be careful when they're handling anything that's sharp. But for many patients in mild to moderate dementia, they have not forgotten their cooking skills and would love the chance to whip something up in the kitchen, especially with someone who they really love. So if your loved one is in mild to moderate dementia, just make sure you find some recipes that are simple, something that they will really enjoy eating, maybe a favorite recipe, and set aside some time to slowly and patiently go through that recipe. Make sure when you do it, you're not in a rush or you don't have a lot of other things on your mind, because this will absolutely require patience. But the reward beside the meal could be sizable. For more tips, solutions, and ideas, go to athomewithdementia.com. Don't forget to click on to the next video, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.